Welcome back to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week something super simple and really tasty. We're going to make a vegan chicken satay. This is a really simple version. We're just using a few ingredients. So I've got a tin of mock duck. This is my preference over a mock chicken, but you can use either one you like. 1/3 of a can of coconut milk, some peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of Massaman curry paste and 1 teaspoon of Panang curry paste. Normally, if you're making a more traditional satay, you would put in some turmeric and some sugar, but we're going to keep this super simple peanut sauce with just a few ingredients. So I'm going to jump over to the hob and show you how to make it. So to make our sauce, we're just going to add our coconut milk to the pan. There we go. So while we're waiting for our coconut milk to warm up, I'm just going to break down our curry paste. So I'm just going to add in a drop of water to it, and all you'll need to do is just give it a quick stir in the water, and you'll see the curry paste just breaks down. It's so much easier to add into the coconut milk then. Just put a drop more water in there. There we go. So just as the milk is starting to simmer, we're going to add our mixed up curry paste into the pan. There we go. And we're going to just break this down gently into the coconut milk. So you might notice we put in quite a lot of curry paste there. We like it quite spicy. Obviously, be sensible and cook this to your levels. If you want it not so spicy, just put in a teaspoon of each or half a teaspoon of each, whatever's your preference. We're going for super spicy today, so don't just follow our amount of spice if you're a bit more sensitive. So I'm going to put in now my peanut butter. This is made out of pure peanuts, there's no oil in it or anything like that, so it might take a while to melt down. I'm just going to let this break down in the pan. It might take a little while, and we're just going to cook it until the peanut butter has broken down into the sauce and the sauce is thickened up. The idea then is just to keep an eye on the sauce, and then just let it thicken slowly until you've got it down to that nice kind of creamy satay style. Alright, we'll give this a few minutes and come back. Once your peanut butter has melted into the sauce and you've simmered it for a while, you'll see it thicken up like this. Nice and thick. It's looking like a really good satay sauce now. So at this point you want to try it and see what it's like for you. You might find it just needs a pinch of salt or a pinch of sugar just to bring the flavors out. So give it a try, add a little pinch of palm sugar or brown sugar if it needs it, and then just finish off thickening the sauce up until it's ready to serve, and then we'll fry up our mock duck and we'll dish up. I'm just going to plate up my mock duck. So there we have it, super simple to make. We've got our mock duck or our mock chicken and our satay sauce already. We've just plated it up with a little bit of salad, and it's ready to serve. So we've just put the satay sauce in a bowl just to use it as a dip, but if you want you can pour it on. I hope you try this at home. It's so easy to make and it's so tasty. If you want to see any kind of like side dishes or restaurants sides, let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this week, and we'll see you next week with another exciting recipe from the Love Vegan Kitchen.